Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, text 55. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Prayahadhyara Kamam Sarva Parthamanogatan Atmani Evatmana Tusta Siddha Prajna Tadochyate. The Supreme Person of Godhead says, O Partha, when a man gives up all varieties of desire for sense gratification which arise from the mental concoction, and when his mind has purified finds satisfaction in the self alone, then he is said to be in a pure transcendental consciousness. So now Krishna explains Arjuna that how one can recognize someone who is firmly established on the spiritual platform. They naturally are not interested of sense enjoyment anymore because they have higher taste. They are getting happiness within from the natural connection to the self and from the connection to the Supreme. Because this material happiness that arise from the mental level, and that's not really touching the self. The material enjoyment, sometimes we mix the enjoyment and happiness, although they are not the same thing, and that material enjoyment doesn't make one happy. And even if that illusory make one for a while experience the happiness, that will go away after a while. And anyway, that happiness doesn't touch the self, which means that it's not real happiness. The satisfaction, real satisfaction, comes to the connection, from the connection to the self. So that's how one can recognize someone who is firmly established on the spiritual platform. They are not so much interested anymore of temporary and superficial material enjoyment. Bhagavad Gita, Ki Jai.